this video, I want to talk about if you can buy crypto on eToro. Now, the simple answer is yes, you can buy crypto, and I'm just going to talk about two different things. So there's the normal eToro, but eToro also has a crypto app called eToro Money. This is for only crypto, but you can also do crypto on your main one. So eToro Money is like a wallet and stuff like this, where you can transfer and send crypto. But on the normal eToro website, you can also buy crypto and sell it. So if you go to Discover and you select crypto, you will be able to see all of the cryptos that you can buy. Now, I believe not all of the crypto is in here, but the major ones and also a lot of the other ones will be in here. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, all of these. And you can see a lot of the crypto ones. So simply select the one that you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy this one. Press trade, type in how much, let's say $500 worth, and then just press buy. So this is how you can do it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.